Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Dominique Zaza has officially met her match, or kanjani, I really don't know, but it seems like she has officially met her match. For those who are on TikTok, those who are on Facebook, you guys know which Dominique Zaza is some kind of a bully. And I know, like, a lot of people will be like, no, she is always defending herself and stuff, but she is some kind of a bully. Getting people fired from work because of something that happened on social media is just so petty to me. So, Kesana, Dominic Zaza and Gokos Koteni have been having this battle. They've been going against each other and stuff. And Ugokos Koteni called Dominic Zaza Ndota. So there was a video where Gokos Koteni, I think it was a live, and then she called Dominic Zaza Ndate Dominic, saying that Dominic Zaza is a man. Dominic Zaza must stop acting like a woman. She is a man. So Kesana, Dominic tried to fight for herself. She tried, but hi Sana, things were not looking up for her. Things were not looking up until to a point where she decided to take a break from social media, because ubonile ukuthi lana nyasha, this is just not my type of battle that I can win. And as a person who always bullies other people, you would think ukuthi she will win this battle. Kodwa cha, she did not. She even went as far as making this thing a joke ukuthi Gokus Koteni called her and Tate Dominic. So guys, please watch this video where she was mocking this thing.
1, 2, 1, 2. Tate Dominic, Kaibo, 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 Tate, Kaibo, Tate Dominic, Hola, Basala, Bas, Biri Maroon, Tate, Biri Maroon, Tate.
She tried to make it as a joke, maybe, so that maybe people can just take it as a joke, ukuthi Ntate Dominic iphelele moyeni. But Kesana, she was not winning. She was not winning. It even came to a point where she decided to release a statement informing people that she is taking a break from social media. So now she is feeling the pain that she has been making other people feel, bullying people on TikTok on how they look, bullying people, like getting them fired from work. So this is a statement that she released on Facebook. She said, "Hi, bestie. Thank you so much for all the kind messages and words of encouragement. This has definitely not been the easiest of times. I always think of myself as the strongest person in the room, but sometimes even the strongest miss a step or two. With that being said, I have decided to take a social media break and a break off my phone completely. This is not a sign of weakness, but there's only so many threats and intimidation tactics that I can take based off lies and stories that are not true. May you and your family enjoy the festive season as I will be doing with mine. Any competitions and ongoing projects that I have been involved with will resume the moment I get the strength to return to social media. I must apologize for any inconveniences that I may have caused by me taking a break to take care of my mental health. When I come back, I'll be ready to make you smile, laugh, feel pretty, encouraged, and most definitely remind you how expensive my nails are. Pretend that we are on a live and I am waving back at you." This is the statement that she released, informing her followers and fans that she is currently taking a break. This is too much for her. This is too much for her mental health also. I am just hoping that when she comes back, she learns a lesson to stop bullying other people on social media. And I get it. Sometimes she is trying to defend herself because people have been calling her names and stuff. Sometimes she is defending herself, but sometimes it's really not necessary, guys. You need to go overboard to a point of getting people fired from work, to a point of mocking people with their backgrounds. Like, some things are just really not necessary. If someone started a fight with you on social media, let it end there. Don't be calling people uh like my workplace, involving things that don't need to be involved in. But yes, guys, this is all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next.